in the last video we talked about how to capture video from the cameras using OpenCV. In this video we are going to do two things. First of all, we will convert the video into a gray image, and then we are going to save the video. So let's do that. First of all, let's convert into a gray image. So we're going to say gray image is equal to cv2.cvt color, the cap frame, and the cv2.color bgr, which is blue, green, red to gray. So blue, green, red to gray is the function, and then we are going to say cv2.imShow gray image. So now when I run this program, it's going to show you two images. One would be the color image, another one would be a gray image. One is the color, the other one is the, so you can see that you have a gray image and the other one is the color image here. So gray, the color and the gray image. Let's capture the video. So capture and save the video. So for this I'm going to have video writer. So I'm going to say vid equals cv2.videowriter, give the name where you want to save the video. You have the f source, that means what would be the source, we'll say xvid format. This is number of the frames you want to capture, 10 frames. You can make it 20, 25, whatever. And this is the aspect ratio, the resolution basically. Again, vid equals cv2.videowriter, the AVI file, the xvid, or what would be the extension of the file, the frame rate, and the resolution. Next, you're going to write the video frame, vid.write cap frame. Cap frame is the frame which you have captured. We're going to capture this color video, and then we are going to do vid.release. So three things: video writer, frame, and release. So vid is basically a video writer, dot write cap frame, and then release it. Let's quickly run this and see how you can capture and save the video. So the video is being captured, and I'm going to show you the captured video in a few minutes, but let's say this. Let's take a look at the video. Here you go, and this is what it is on the video. So thank you for watching.